Hello guys, good day and welcome to RK News. I'm Architect Chocho. So today, nandito tayo ngayon sa area ng pool deck dito sa Congressional Town Center, Tower 2. And bakit tayo nandito? Dahil kukunan natin ng aerial video itong binubuhusan nating Tower 3. So which is right now, ongoing yung concreting natin ng ating third floor level. So let's check and let's take a look yung ongoing concreting ng ating third floor level. Let's go. Now ito guys, yung aerial view ng ongoing concreting ng ating third floor dito sa Congressional Town Center, Tower 3. So we started last night, March 31, 2026, and right now, it's already April 1. So dito muna tayo sa phase 1. So it's already 100% completed. Now dito naman sa area ng ating phase 2, meron pa tayong certain portion, about 20% of the area is ongoing concreting pa rin, no? Up to this time. But right here, as you can see, ito na ngayon yung mga areas na nabuhusan na natin. So right now, ongoing on operation yung ating power flow para ayusin yung magiging surface finishes ng ating slab. Dahil ang third floor level natin is part of the parking area. So dapat smooth at maayos yung magiging surface niya. Dahil straight to finish yung ating finished flooring ng ating parking. So ito na ngayon yung ongoing development natin dito sa third floor ng ating Tower 2. So here, as you can see, ongoing yung concrete pouring natin. Ito yung concrete dito. So in-spread lang siya dito sa mga designated areas pa natin na binubuhusan natin. Now here, ito pa yung mga areas na kailangan nating tapusing buhusan. So matatapos ito hopefully bago say 4 o'clock. Completely mabubuhusan na natin ang area ng ating third floor. So from afar, ito yung ating elevator core wall. So continuously tumataas din yan yung ating shear wall, yung ating pinaka core wall, yung mga rebars niya kasabay ng ating mga columns dito sa area ng ating third floor level. So ito ngayon yung development natin today. So guys, ito yung ongoing development natin today, April 1, 2026 here in Congressional Town Center, Tower 3. So nabuhusan na natin yung ating third floor level. So abangan nyo ulit ang susunod na development ng project na to. This is the Congressional Town Center, Tower 3. I'm Architect Chocho, joyfully sharing with you what RK knows. Thank you very much and God bless you.